often enough to find the finishing touch.
Well, I'd rather have a striker that gets into areas where there's possibilities for him other than just creating space.
Now Maswangani pulls the trigger from range. It's certainly to Richards Bay, although he was introduced for Tuto later in the match, early in the second half, in fact. There's an opportunity, but Nick Lisanda, nice and composed. Here's Mbata, option on his outside in the form of Mofokeng. It's back to the former SuperSport United man, Mbata. He's in turn found evidence, Mahopa. Koto. Mbata again. 1-on-1. And was ultimately thwarted. Coming towards the back post. It lands here for Kambala. Matuluri. Featured in every single game this season for Polokwane City in the DSTV Premiership.
What happens?
Just couldn't put the brakes on.
He's trying.
Yeah.
But
the slips. Now as it lands over the feet of Ramabu once again. He's the man who scored the winner in their last league game. Mofokeng steps over it. It's Dion Hotto. Munyane. Now Hotto has located Kimbuili with the flag. Had been nicely done by Maswangani. Now Mbata. Firm pass to Kimbuili. Hasn't been able to locate Mofokeng. Munyane receives plenty of space. Mahopa's gone tumbling down. It's been a feature of their gameplay this season. That long throw from Matuluri. Dion Hotto helps it out of the box via his head. Into space for evidence, Mahopa. Kimbuili. Cleverly fires Mofokeng. Appeals for hand. Half an hour in. This is the first corner of the game. Take it short. Turn back in by a slight deflection. Maswangani delivers. Sapunga comes for it. Now from that free kick, it's Polokwane City who have the ball again, and they'll get a. Nothing comes of that. Now some space for Apollos to operate. It goes down under the challenge of Moki, and it is a free kick for Polokwane City. And it is Apollos. Let's put that on.
He's a batting.
Okaula to Mofokeng. Now Maswangani. Nice ball from him. Oh! They've come so close. Denied by the woodwork. It's lashed back to
Pinpoint pass. Watch this. Pinpoint pass. Quick check.
What a 10.
Controls it with his left.
Yep.
Quick 10. Watch that. That's been a special goal
through here for Kimbuili. Kambala's quickly on the scene, but still Kimbuili continues on. Gets away from him again, but
Great for Sundowns.
So it could be the left foot of Hotto. And it is. It's easily fit. Ramabu on his outside. Mafumo got in front of Clocky there. Oh, he scored with a head by his head. So we're down 3-2. Evidence Mahopa. Asking a lot of Kimbuili. Bata. Spots Mofokeng. Save from Sapunga.
He is right-footed, obviously, onto the right-hand side of the defender, so he's going to try and improvise. But it's also the technique that he gets it so precise.
Into space here for Kimbuili.
Yeah.
And now Mofokeng trying to pounce. Not Premiership winners in their last 3 league matches. Prior to that, though, they were unbeaten in 6 with 5 wins. 5 clean sheets as well. This is Rashtor's goal from range. So that's it for the first half. Polokwane City and Orlando Pirates this season, but over 60% of their goals have come after the interval in the DSTV Premiership. Emmanuel Sopo
is one to break any attacks.
Well, cut out by Matoluri. Now Mikani hoisting that forwards
at mid-tempo.
Now Mofokeng laying it off for Kimbuili. Earlier in the season there was a point, we'll get back to that, as Polokwane City make some inroads on this flank. Can't locate Dion Hotto. Oh! For 2 potential trajectories, it is Mofokeng who goes for it, and he went direct. Pirates have won there 6 of their last 10 trips to Limpopo. Kimbuili surely used his hand there to control it, not spotted by the referee. Matoluri, well, he's tried to deceive it. One by Mbata. Munyani's ball in. Evidence Makopa.
Polokwane City, can you score? Can you come back and prove that you are a deadly marksman?
The ball in, causing
Come on, boy!
Finally, he's found the back of the net. He's had so many chances, but evidence Makopa gets this one right. The Pirates.
And he didn't. The positioning was quite good. Exquisite delivery, good technique as well. Against the 2 defenders that have made life difficult for him in the first half. And he beats them this time around.
First for them in this game, Polokwane City yet to have their first. Mofokeng takes. And Da under pressure. Ramabu shifting the ball to create some space for the shot into the path of Lipitsos. Looking to set Mabasa on his way. Referee not interested in. Space starting to emerge as Polokwane City push forward. He's making his 9th appearance in the DSTV Premiership this season, the veteran striker. Brilliant turn from Maswangani. Dlamini. Bata back to Dlamini. Clipped forward. Just the Pirates' schedule looks like. Hosting Cape Town Spurs midweek before the derby has Dion Hotto. Finish than anything. Oh, that's really nicely done. This is a good opportunity for Paris to wrap that up. Well, not enough time remain, plus injury time to come. It's a clever little reverse. Good defending from Dion Hotto in the end. Sprayed out wide for Mayela. Dion Hotto. He and Mayela combine once again. Maswangani. Oh, lovely ball for Mayela. But he's been able to poke an effort to score. But Maswangani stabs forward, gets it back from the ball, finds Dlamini, space to finish it. And the upright has been struck. Drop ball to resume play. Mikani hoisting it forward, nothing will come of that. Final whistle. The Buccaneers back to winning ways in the DSTV Premiership. They build on their Nedbank Cup win last weekend with another here away.